Hey you guys, this is day 2 of the growing crystal growing science experiment. So basically, it has grown not much from yesterday. It's grown a little bit more, but yeah, not much. Yeah, it's grown. It's growing more and more each day. So yeah. But yeah, anyways, there's a little thing. This is what they all look like again. In person. Pretty good. Here's slime, jelly, snowball, and then this. So, hope you all enjoyed that video, and yeah. Oh, and I also got this little toy car in here. I'm just doing some random stuff to it. It's more than the short and more like a video. Yeah, also I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my room. Just a little hang out with you guys for a little while, talking about some stuff. This is my bed. It's little, you know. Yeah. So basically, yeah, it's my bed. There's some boats, cars. I can't wait to see how this turns out. Tomorrow, it's been about, today's been 3 days. I don't know if it's ready yet. Les, is the crystal ready yet? Hold on, guys, we got somebody. Is that crystal ready yet?
What?
Is the crystal ready yet?
3 to 7 days. The longer you wait, the bigger it gets.
What about the 7th day?
Then it should be done growing. The crystals are growing, literally.
I'll take it out on the 7th day. We'll let it keep growing, but anyways, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, look, I got this little thing, which I don't know what's not turning on right now. Hold on. I think it's out of batteries. Yeah, I got this little really cool thing. Yeah, overall, it's growing pretty good. Got some more gummy I'll make tonight. Want some Angry Grandma and some other Angry Grandma. Y'all know what that is? Angry Grandma is basically, I'll shut my door. Angry Grandma is basically a YouTuber. Yeah, it's great fun that does videos of her something. Pranks, funny videos, random. Like something about Angry Grandma's day or something. Birthdays or anything, really anything. Pranks, anything. Funny videos she makes. They're really funny. So that's basically what it is. I got some Sonic stuff. I'm gonna go see Sonic 3. Review coming soon. Okay, in about 2 weeks. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed night or a day, whatever time it is in the day or the evening. If it's in the morning, day, whatever. I hope you guys have a blessed day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. So, peace.